welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the girl G_everything, and today I am back with another video. Yes. So today we're going to do a reaction video to Gabriel Henrique Stand Up. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
I've been walking, if my face run to the sun.
Really? Oh yes.
Weight on my shoulder, a bullet in my gun.
Yes, come on, man.
Oh, got eyes in the back of my head, yeah, just in case I have to run. I do what I can for my people. While the clouds roll back and the stars fill the night, that's when I gonna stand up. Take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. Far across the river, can you hear freedom calling? Calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on. I can feel it in my bones.
Yes, I can.
Early in the morning, before the sun begins to shine, we're gonna start a movie towards the separating line, yeah. I'm ready for the waters. You know I gotta make up mine, and I don't mind if I lose any blood on the way to salvation. And I'll fight if it's strength that I got until I die. So I gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home. For across the river, you hear freedom calling, calling me to answer. Gonna keep on keeping on. Try.
If you enjoy this video, y'all, please give it a huge thumbs up because this video is so good. Make sure that you like this video, y'all. Give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Yes, yes, yes. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to the Subbies Cruise. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Feel free to follow my social media down below in the description box. Everything is down there. Feel free to go down there. So make sure that you, yes, and everything. Yes, yeah. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.